Good day, mate. A day in my life as five in Australia. And today is Sunday, so we have nothing to do. Made one cup of coffee and then go out and see what's the beautiful scenery outside. And you know what, guys? Every time I had a rest day, I choose to go out. And I prefer to spending my time in a tranquil place. But since the lugar is not kabisado ko pa, kaya dito na lang muna ako pumunta sa mga shops. And ang reason ko talaga kaya ako nandito dahil nagpaayos ako ng laptop. And also, I bought something or any stuff that I need tomorrow. And when I'm in a mall, and this is what I saw. It's a Chinese New Year, so Kong Hei Fat Choi. And these times, we book an Uber dahil uuwi na kami. So medyo mainit ang panahon ngayon. Hindi ko alam ang temperature pero masakit sa balat. So that's why we decided na umuwi na ng maaga at magpapahinga. Then kinabukasan may pasok na uli. And the good thing is because our house is a bit cozy. So maganda magpahinga. And that's it. So easy.